Martha Krejci here. You may have already rolled your eyes or glazed over and thought, oh my gosh, this is another one of those things. No, like for real. I'm about to drop some actual knowledge on you, and you'll be able to start doing it today if you want to, okay? So there's that. If you are watching this on the YouTubes, do make sure that you click on the subscribe button as well as the bell so you get notified when new videos come on. So July 26th through July 30th, I am doing a challenge called Fix Your Online Course Challenge. And so what this is it's for people that have already either created an online course. It's probably wise if you haven't created an online course, but you want to, or you're thinking about it. This challenge is also going to be super helpful for you. So you're going to be able to dodge bullets, okay? Because you're going to learn about things that need to be fixed before you even do them. So that ain't bad ever in life, all right? So Fix Your Online Course Challenge. Make sure that you're in there. If you have friends that are struggling or want to be able to do better in their own online courses, make sure they're in my group. The link is in the description of this video, okay? All right, now let's get into the meat and potatoes. And again, one of the biggest things that I see is people saying, how can I make money without having to spend money, right? And then everybody else is like, well, you got to spend money to make money. Everybody sort of, what's the right term to use here? They sort of just, I'm going to use the word regurgitate, okay? And sorry, and I'm just going to use the word regurgitate just like it ain't no thing. So they all regurgitate this same messaging. You got to spend money to make money, spend money to make money. Okay, yeah, okay. It works in some scenarios, that's true. It's not always true. So that's the thing, while it's true a lot of the time, it's not 100% true all the time, okay? So what I'm going to explain to you today is a way in which you would be able to make money without spending money. You want to talk about that for the next 5-ish minutes? Sound good? Let me introduce a term to you, and you may have already heard this term before, but you're not going to be doing it the way that you've probably seen it done before, okay? The term is affiliate marketing. Now, let's break down what affiliate marketing really is. Affiliate marketing is businesses spending their marketing budget, because every business has a marketing budget. It's businesses spending their marketing budget paying people that have already brought in a customer. So it's brilliant marketing. It's a brilliant way to spend your marketing dollars because you're not spending from the business's aspect, and I'm going to talk about what it means to you in just a second. But you need to understand how important it is to the businesses first to really have the good perspective on it, okay? So the businesses, like it's brilliant for them because they're not just marketing with billboards and stuff that they're spending money on that they don't know if they're going to get a return on or not. Affiliate marketing is literally only paying out when somebody has brought a customer to you. Okay, that's what affiliate marketing is. And so there are lots of places that you can join into affiliate marketing. Like I have affiliates for my stuff. Most businesses these days have at least an arm of their marketing department that is based around affiliate marketing. Okay, so you might be like, okay, Martha, you're using these words, affiliate marketing. What does that actually mean? All that it means is this, is that you have your own link with people. So you sign up to be an affiliate with X, Y, and Z, okay? Like different companies. You sign up to be an affiliate for their products. What that means is that you're able to talk about their products, share a link, so when somebody buys from something that you've talked about, when they buy from that, then you get a kickback. The beauty is this. Most people, well, all the time, the people don't spend more by using your link. So it's not like they have to spend more money because they're using your link, because you're going to get a kickback and the end buyer is paying for that kickback. That's not how it works. They're going to spend the same amount of money regardless of whether they use your link or anybody else's or no link at all. You know, if they just go to the store, they're spending the same amount of money. But when you use people's affiliate links, then your friend gets a little cut of the pie, right? So they get a little kickback. Now, a very cool thing, and what I do with my own affiliates, is my own affiliates can share my stuff at a discounted rate. So not only are they not spending the same amount, they're usually spending about half of what they would typically be spending if they're using my friend's affiliate. So my people's affiliate. So my people's affiliate, it would be able to look like, okay, here's you can go ahead and get it here, and it's going to be 50% off, and you're not going to see this anywhere else, that sort of thing, right? So that's how you can really sweeten the deal for people. But affiliate marketing, let me just make sure I've got this super kindergarten clear for people that have not heard of affiliate marketing at all. Here's how you get into it. My first suggestion is to walk around your house and to just look at different things that you use all the time in your house. Write down those products, write down the brands and the products. And then what I would think about is, what are the services that I use? Do I have subscriptions that I use? Do I have, coaches? Do I have, what is the stuff that I use? And then start going into that, writing those down. And then what I would do is I would search online those products and with the word affiliate marketing, okay? This is how you can literally not spend any money and make money instead. You can build an entire career out of this. Listen, for my own affiliate marketing, a quarter of what I make every month, 25% of what I make every month is from affiliate or referral marketing. That's not even stuff I've made myself. That's not even programs that I deliver on my own. That's just from affiliate marketing. That's not from investments. That's not from anything else aside from referring and suggesting somebody that I know, like, and trust. It's as easy as that. Now here, let me let you know about a pitfall before it happens, okay? Here's what's going to happen if you go researching the internet about how to do affiliate marketing. Let me tell you what's going to happen, and then let me tell you that it's not true. You're going to find a bunch of gurus. Listen, you talk about affiliate marketing and the gurus come out of the woodwork, all right? Gurus, air quotes, so many air quotes, will come out of the woodwork. In this case, definition of gurus is people who sell you on it but don't know how to do it themselves and don't know how to do it well. I'm sorry, I have to call out liars and fakes on this one. And I don't typically go into that, but I do have to call out liars and fakes on this one, because once you start getting into this world, you've got a lot of get rich quick folks that they didn't even get rich quick. You know what I'm saying? They make their living telling you how to get rich quick, and they never even got rich quick. Okay? That's you got to be so careful. But let me tell you this. You're going to see a lot of people saying that you have to make Facebook ads and that you have to sign up for ClickFunnels and you got to do all of these things in order to be really good at affiliate marketing. I am here to tell you that is not true. You can do it organically. All right? You can do it in a way that doesn't feel salesy, sleazy, and weird to you. You do not have to set up ClickFunnels. You do not have to spend money on Facebook ads, which is really just a loss of money because you don't even know if you're hitting the right people. All right? It doesn't have to be like that. Now, what I want for you to do is to research the companies that have affiliate marketing, okay? Or the companies that have affiliates that you can sign up to be an affiliate of the companies of the things that you use. Amazon Associates is another one. Do not get scared by all the questions that they ask you. They're just making sure you're not a scammer or a spammer, okay? So they'll ask you a lot of questions. Don't be like, oh, why are they asking me so many questions? They're just trying to make sure that you're not a spammer, okay? And you're not, so don't worry about it. Just answer all their questions, because Amazon Associates is fantastic. That's like you share a link and, I think it's a 45-day cookie. I can't remember how long the cookie is right now. A cookie means no matter how many times somebody clicks on that in that number of days, you've got that number of days for somebody to buy something from when they clicked on it on your stuff. I have mastered affiliate and referral marketing. Mastered it. Okay? So I may or may not have something coming out that is going to literally teach you how to not only be able to crush affiliate marketing, but it's also going to help you crush referral marketing. And here's what it's going to do. If you only ever in life want to help people and connect people with each other and want to show people good products to get, but you never really want to create your own, if you only ever want to do that, I can show you how to build an entire career based on just that. You guys can probably do the math on what a quarter of my income is. Would you be okay with that? That's what I do, okay? Literally, I have people come to me asking me to be affiliates of theirs. Okay, that's how good at it that I am, and I do not spend money on ads. I do not use funnels for it. It's all organic, it's all natural, and it's definitely a way for you to feel good about what you do. So if you never want to write a book, if you never want to create a course, if you never want to become a coach, you just want to work from home and you want to be able to make income, you need to keep your eyes peeled for what is coming out. Okay? And if you're watching this video in the future, just check the description of the video. I'll have the link in as soon as it's on. So if you're watching the video in the future, just check the description and I will have the program in there where you can sign up for it. But this is life-changing, and it's because everybody asks the question, how can I make money from home without spending money? Well, I'm about to show you precisely how to do that, and you can write it all the way into the sunset. You'll get your return on it very, very quickly, and then the icing starts, okay? This is how, a lot of people want to just do that. Not everybody wants to create a course or wants to be a coach. Not everybody wants to do that. Now, what I've also found is that some people start with affiliate marketing, and then they're like, hey, I think I could coach on X, Y, and Z. Awesome, then add to it. Because then you'll be able to, it's now you create a massive personal brand, right? You'll have the leverage already to be able to do that. That's what I'm saying. This is different. So I don't know if you know about me. Hi, I'm Martha, and I completely disrupt industries. I completely disrupt the normal way of doing things, and I'm about to do it again. Oh, super quick, if you are not in anything of mine, free stuff, paid stuff, whatever, and you want to know how to be able to work with me, you would just go to Livin the Dream with Martha and message me the words, let's do this, and then we're going to find the best place for you to begin, okay? Because sometimes people look at my stuff and they're like, what? So a lot of times people just message and they're like, what do I begin with, right? And so I would just suggest to you, message me, and then let's find a good place for you to start so you can start growing immediately, start growing today, okay? So that is that. I love you guys so much. Have the best day. Bye-bye.